Hello friends, welcome to JQuery tutorial. In this video, we will display the simple accordion control in the browser. The outer div is to identify the entire widget. We marked it as ACCEX. So here we are talking about how we are forming the HTML that will feed JQueryUI the information needed to display the accordion control. Now, if you see, this is how we are forming the body. In that body, we are having a div tag with an ID ACCEX. You can give any ID, but the point is here we are placing a div content. So all the accordion elements will go inside this div tag. I mean this pair of div. Each clickable panel headings are formed by the anchor or non-referencing href attribute. Let's see how we are forming this clickable panel heading. Here, if you see, this is the div tag, right? Inside, we are forming a anchor. So this anchor is important. This one you can have whatever you want. You can have a heading or any other decorated element. Here we are simply using the heading 3, right? Then we are forming a anchor with the href hash, right? So that's why here we are talking about a non-referencing href. It is not referring anything. We just place hash, and this is the topic, right? Accordion controls heading here we are providing. So if you see inside div tag, we have 3 anchors. That means here we are deciding to have 3 headings or 3 groupings. We wrapped the heading with h3, and you can use any tag for wrapping the topic, right? Topics are usually formed using the anchor, so that's the important stuff. Content of the panel follows immediately after defining the heading. So if you see, this is our content, right? Accordion page content. And if you see here, we are using the div id equal to tc1, tc2, tc3. So the important stuff is after this anchor, we are immediately forming the content by means of this div tag, right? This is content 1. Here it is content 2. This is content 3. And if you see, all this content follows immediately after the topic. In our example, we have 3 heading and 3 contents. The jQuery creates the control by calling accordion function. So here is our jQuery in the document ready. First we pick the element, right? This div element. Then we make a call to the JQueryUI function accordion. Now the JQueryUI API library knows how to pick the hyperlink, non-referencing hyperlink element and its immediate content. And by using these, it will form the accordion. I mean one fold of the accordion. Here if you see, it's a 3-fold or 3 topic based accordion and 3 content. So JQueryUI will do the job for us. Now let's go to the demo. So here we are in the UI. Let us copy our previous example and paste it here. Alright, let's remove the stuff that is not needed for this example. So here we are deleting this. So let it refer the theme. This is the jQuery library and this one is the jQuery UI library, and this is for writing the custom script. Let's remove this for now, and inside the body we will remove all this stuff. Now let's place the element needed for the accordion. So as already explained, here we are forming the div tag, right? This will act as a HTML input for forming the widget, and then we have 3 topic, then 3 content, right? By this time, if you display it, this is normal HTML, right? Now we are going to change this as a accordion control by making use of jQuery. Alright, so this is the script part, right? And in the script part, we are picking okay, so we are picking this div, then making call to accordion. Now you can see how the accordion control is displayed, right? This is based on the present theme, and this is how accordion control is displayed, right? If you want to change the theme, you can do that. Now here, instead of flick, let me pick some other theme, control space, okay, let's stop running this. Okay, here is the themes folder. Previously we used flick, right? Now let me use something different. That's all. Let's copy the previous theme so that we can replace it easily after testing. So let me have this in clipboard, closing the previous example. Now we changed the theme, right, with a UI darkness, and we will run it now. So if you see now, based on the theme, the accordion control is changed immediately, right? So there are a variety of theme. Now let us switch back to our default theme. Saved the content. So this is the default Flick theme. Alright, that's all here in this video. If you see, when I click the topic, it is expanding the content. If I click again, it will, okay. If I am clicking, it is not closing. We need to set some other property for that. But the default behavior, if you see, whenever I click the topic, it expands that and shows the content. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.